Governor Phil Scott reacting to a story that quickly gained national attention. Those sworn to protect and serve suspected of making fake vaccine cards. And as a legal expert suggests, the politics of this pandemic may make it more common. Local 22's Dana Casulo live now in the newsroom with more on this. Dana?
Lauren, there's an investigation for their alleged involvement in making fake vaccine cards. With what is happening in policing today, some say the situation doesn't help.
I think the fact that the alleged individuals are law enforcement officers is particularly concerning.
3 now former Vermont State Troopers are accused of having different roles in creating fake vaccine cards. It's something Director Matthew Birmingham said has tarnished the reputation of the Vermont State Police. Legal expert Jared Carter says this could affect people's trust in law enforcement.
So I think to the extent that this is sort of another instance in where law enforcement and their credibility is called into question.
Sean Summers, Raymond Bukowski, and David Findle have since resigned. The fake vaccine cards may violate federal law, as using an official government agency's seal is a federal crime.
That is a federal crime, punishable by up to 5 years imprisonment and significant fines. So that's the federal level. There very well could be state action as well.
At Wednesday's news conference, Governor Phil Scott called it disappointing.
I don't think it's reflective of the entire Vermont State Police organization.
He said his first question is why.
It's just such a simple thing to do. Get vaccinated, you get your card. You don't have to fabricate something.
Carter says it may be connected to tighter mandates being enacted across the country. People who don't want the vaccine but want to participate fully in society.
Which is understandable, of course, but it creates an incentive for fraudulent actors, for bad actors, to create false vaccination cards.
Carter, unfortunately, doesn't think we've seen the end of it.
I think we'll continue to see this both here in Vermont and across the country in light of the politics of the pandemic. And it's a sad state of affairs.
An investigation by the FBI is underway. David Findle is a member of the Vermont Air National Guard. The Guard says it will fully cooperate with any federal investigation. Reporting live in the newsroom, Dana Casulo, Local 22 News.